Hello Bambinos, it's maths time. Mr. Holditch has given us another cube because he said I didn't really help you very much with your work, but you seem to have managed it okay. I've emptied the pot, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and today's one, 28. Can I still get that lid on? Yes, I can still get the lid on, but when it gets to the top and I can no longer get the lid on, it's party time. Party! Okay, so my brother is 1 year older than me. I am 1 year less than him. So he is 22 and I am 1 year younger. I am 1 year less. I am 21. Look at this. Okay, I'm looking at the number ladder now. So, I'm going to try and not fall off this chair. My brother is 22. I am 1 less. I am 21. He's 22. I'm 21. I am 1 less than my brother. I am 1 year younger than my brother. I am 1 year less than my brother. First things first, we're going to look at the PowerPoint for 1 less. 1 less than. Okay. 1 less than 10 is 9. 1 less than 9 is 8. 1 less than 8 is 7. What's 1 less than 7? 6. What's 1 less than 6? 5. What's 1 less than 5? 4. Who's just below 4? Who's 1 less than 4? 3. Who's less than 3? 2. And who's 1 less than 2? Number 1. Tricky has got a game for you to play. Tricky would like you to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tricky faces. A round circle for his head, 4 spikes of hair, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 eyes, 1, 2, a smile at the bottom, and then his round nose in the middle. Can you draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tricky faces? A bit like when we do numbers and brackets for a spelling test, but this is Tricky's idea, and he'd like you to do 5 tricky faces, maybe in your workbook or your clearboard, completely up to you, a piece of scrap paper. If you press pause and go and do that now for me. Okay, the rules of the game are, next to each tricky face, you're going to describe something and they've got to write a number next to the tricky face. Okay, so you give me the clue, I tell the children, and then we'll mark it together at the end. Best behaviour? Promise? Okay, we'll play your game and then do you want to help me do some work after? And you're going to be good. Okay, I love it when he says he's going to be good. You're such a good boy, aren't you? Oh, he's so cute. Okay, first clue, please. Okay, this number is 1 less than 4. Write down next to your first tricky face the number that is 1 less than 4. Which number is 1 less than 4? 1 lower than 4? If my brother was 4, he's bigger than me, so I would be... He said, time's up, next question. Next to your second tricky face, please write 1 less than 9. 1 less than 9. Which number is younger than 9? Which number is lower than 9? You don't think they can do it? Well, if they can't do it, we can help them, can't we? Ready for 3? Next to number 3, oh, that's a tricky one. But yeah, next to your third tricky face, can you please write the number that is 1 less than 11? Which number is the one under 11? 1 less than 11. Write that down. No. He said he's going to be mean to us if we get them wrong. He won't. Okay, next to number 4, what would you like for number 4? Next to number 4, can you write 1 less than 6? 1 less than 6. Who's under 6? If we're going down, who's under 6? Okay, and your last one? Are you sure? Okay. 1 less than 3. 1 less than 3. Which one is under 3? 1 less than 3. He said he'll show you on the board now. Okay. Okay, sure. Okay. He wants me to hold them up to you. He wants us to do both. He wants to... Okay. He wants to hold them up. He wants to hold them up, then I'll write them on the board. 1 less than 4 is... Yeah, I know. 1 less than 4 is 3. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 less than 4 is 3. 1 less than 9. 1 less than 9 is 8. If we're counting backwards, less. 9, 8, 7. This was the hard one, wasn't it? It's not funny. 1 less than 11 is 10. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So 1 less than 11 was 10. 1 less than 6 is 5. 1 less than 6 is 5. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. 1 less than 3 is 2. 3, 2, 1. Let's have a look at that on the whiteboard. I found that very, very difficult. It was really confusing. What I've drawn is I've drawn a number ladder, like the one we've got in our classroom. But I've drawn a number ladder here, starting at 1 and going to 11. So if we go counting 1 less, I just move this way. I move backwards. I move backwards down the number ladder. So the first question Tricky asked was 1 less than 4. 1 less than 4. So I find number 4. 1 less than 4 is number 3. 1 less than 4 is 3. The next question was 1 less than 9. 1 less than 9. First job, find 9. 1 less is 8. Is 8. The one below 9 is 8. The next question, really, really difficult this one. 1 less than 11. 1 less than 11. So find legs 11. 1 less is 10. If my brother was 11, I would be 10 because I'm 1 year younger than him. I'm 1 year lower than him. The next question, 1 less than 6. 1 less than 6. What's the first thing I do on my number ladder? Find 6. Who's 1 less? 5 is. 5. If you didn't get those right, it's fine. You can write the correct answer alongside like we do with our spellings. And the last question, 1 less than 3. Who's younger than 3? Who's smaller than 3? 2. Give yourselves a tick. If you managed that okay, well done. If you managed it by counting backwards like 10, 9, 8, 7, well done. If you were looking at your own number line, well done. If you found that difficult, next time we do it, I'm going to ask you to do the tricky faces and I'll ask you to write a number ladder. And we'll do that first and that will help you find 1 less. Good job. Okay, we're going to look at your worksheet on the whiteboard. And then if Tricky's quiet and doesn't disturb us, I'll let him do one, just because he was quite good just now, wasn't he? It wasn't too bad. The first thing I want you to do is, on your sheet, where it's got this example and it's got the blue sweets coloured in, I want you to cross it out. Because we can do this ourselves. We don't colour any sweets in until the end. Okay, so I want you to watch me very, very carefully. 10, take away 5. To do this on a number line, usually we have a counter that we move back and forth. But because there's a number line for each number sentence, we can just draw on them. So 10, take away 5. So we're going to do one big jump without drawing. One big jump to number 10. There's number 10. We're going to do, start here. We're going to jump back. Remember, the arrow goes this way because we're going backwards. We're going to go back 5 jumps. So it's minus, it's take away, so we're going that way. We're going back to Mr. Grumpy's house, 5 jumps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We had 10. We jumped back 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you've got 5 jumps or 5 rainbows. Jump before you count. And we've landed on number 5. So 10, when you take away 5, you still have 5 left. So this is how we're going to colour in. So I'm going to swap colours now. You don't have to colour them in. You can go on to the next number sentence if you want to. But because they've done it up there, if you'd like to, we can. So we're going to colour in the sweets that we've got left. How many have we got left? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had 10 sweets. Coco came and she ate 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's why we had to jump backwards because she took some away. And that left us with 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we're going to do it. Let me do the next one with you. I might actually do this. Our writing this morning was as rainbow writing, so I might do the same with my maths now. So 8. So we don't draw to number 8, we just do a big jump to number 8. And how many jumps back are we going to do? We're going to do 6 jumps back, or you can say if you like 6 rainbows back. So start here and don't count 1, 2, 3. You don't do any counting until you jump, okay? Got it? Got it. 6 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I land on number 2. So my answer is number 2. I had 8 sweets, Coco took away 6 and left me with 2. Again, you don't need to colour in, but if you want to, you can. So how many sweets can I colour in? I can colour in 2 sweets. I might colour these in blue. That's not really fair that I got 2 sweets and Coco gets more than me. Not really fair. I don't know, shall I help you with one more? Oh, sorry, he's calling me. Hang on, Tricky. Hello. Tricky said that he wants to help you with the last one. That's really nice. Can you use the magic pen? What do you think, boys and girls? Should we let him use the magic pen? Oh, some people think yes, 2, 3, and some people think no. I'll give you a chance. I'll give him a chance with the pen. Here we go. There's the whiteboard pen. So what you need to do is, if you come along here, that's it, Tricky. Well done. And the first thing you need to do is he needs to count to. Oh, it's one big jump, isn't it? One big jump, but no drawing. And why have you done that? No scribbling on the work. I don't know if you did that by an accident. No. Good boy. Well done. Oh, you want to choose? He did it because he doesn't like blue. He wants another colour. Choose another colour then. I've cleaned the board for him, so hopefully now that he likes you prefer orange, didn't you? Okay, now that he prefers orange, he'll do it properly. So, sorry everybody, it's one big jump to 9. That's it, one big jump to 9. You don't do the drawing, you just do one big jump to 9, and then we have lots of little jumps back, don't we? So, I don't think it's funny. No, you've ruined our work. You're going to tell Mr. Holditch that I did it? No way. I'm going to tell him first. Okay, guys, I need to go and tell Mr. Holditch that this was not me. Good luck with maths. Bye.